Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Iveco remote key fob. What we need to do first is we need to split the two halves of the case to gain access to the battery. So in the top left hand corner, there is an indentation where you can just get your flat-headed screwdriver in and give it a twist to split the two halves of the case. Be very careful, because as you can see, this one in the past has had some damage, so they can be quite fragile. Just pop it in. And give it a twist and split the two halves of the case. And there you go, there is your key fob battery. Get your screwdriver again and just get underneath it and just prise it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we just pop it back into the housing, making sure on this one that the writing is facing downwards, like that, and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's just time to pop it all back together. So we get the other half of the key fob case and make sure everything lines up and just click it all back in place. And there you go, it's all done.